Are Indians second-class flyers? Gulf Air passengers stranded, denied basic dignity in Kuwait after engine fire. Entitled passport holders only. Indian flyers allegedly face discrimination. A flight from Mumbai to Manchester turned into a harrowing ordeal for Indian passengers after an engine fire forced an emergency landing in Kuwait. Stranded at the airport for over 13 hours, passengers alleged bias, mistreatment, and neglect, sparking outrage as Gulf Air passengers waited for help. Those holding Indian and Southeast Asian passports were reportedly denied accommodation. Unlike travelers from the EU, UK, and US, they literally told us Indians and Pakistanis are not entitled passport holders, said passenger Arzo Singh. Denied food, water, and basic comforts. Passengers claimed they weren't offered water for the first 4 hours, let alone food or blankets. Even lounge access came after relentless pleas, leaving many to sit on the floor of the terminal. Is this how Indian citizens are treated abroad? Are we second-class travelers? Embassy steps in. But is it enough? The Indian embassy in Kuwait intervened, arranging lounge access and attempting to secure airport hotel accommodations. However, due to the ongoing GC summit, options were limited. The embassy noted that Indian nationals don't qualify for Kuwait's visa on arrival facility, exacerbating the situation. Where is Gulf Air's accountability? Despite repeated inquiries, Gulf Air has yet to issue a statement addressing the passengers' flight. Why were basic human needs ignored? Why wasn't there a contingency plan for such emergencies? Indian passenger speaks out. It's been over 13 hours. We have been given false assurances. Every 3 hours, people are waiting for us in the UK. We have jobs to get back to. Why are we being treated like this? Singh questioned, surrounded by fellow frustrated passengers. A flight of chaos. The flight, originally from Mumbai, was headed to Manchester via Bahrain. 2 hours into the journey, passengers noticed an engine fire. Amid panic and smoke, the plane was diverted to Kuwait, where the nightmare unfolded. Is this the value of Indian travelers abroad? The incident raises uncomfortable questions about how Indian travelers are perceived and treated globally. Are Indians being discriminated against simply based on their passports? This ordeal highlights not just Gulf Air's failures, but also a troubling narrative about the dignity of Indian citizens abroad.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.